How do you get that definition of AI ROI correct? Like, who should be involved in setting that definition of AI ROI?
Yeah, this is a fun question, and I'm really looking forward to hear some of your opinions too. But for me, I kind of approached it taking a page out of the Amazon playbook and AWS side of things, or working backwards, where it's like I needed an outcome defined up front. So there you basically will write a thing called a PR FAQ, and it's basically a press release that you ship out, that you basically use it as an exercise. I wrote the press release of the thing that I announced the day that I shipped it, but you haven't shipped anything yet. You don't know. You're just hypothesizing at this point. Like, we think we're going to do this, and here's kind of the FAQ that goes with that PR. And and so you're kind of getting to this place where for every project, especially if you're going to implement AI in your delivery cycle, you kind of have to have a thing. When we're done, this is what's different about it. It looks like this today, and here's the pain points and the paper cuts we have in that system. What if, in 3 months it could be different? And then it's really like, okay, well, if I talk to my engineers and I talk to my product partners and I talk to the other stakeholders, to your question about who needs to be at the table, like, you kind of got to get that collective list of these are all the things that we wish were better, or that we wish we could do, or our limits, challenges. And then it's kind of an exercise of refining that into kind of a prioritized set, because you can't do everything all at once. Like, AI will help you do more things faster, but um, you know, adding chaos to that system is rarely going to be improved state. If you have just a lot of loose ends and unspecific guidance and context for AI. So then it's like, okay, if you want to hypothesize what your top things are, and it might be like your time to resolution, or it might just be your throughput, then getting that in front of the right team to actually go implement those specifics based on those guidance, and then and kind of refining that as you go, and making sure that you're keeping a deliverable scope in mind. Right, like, it's super easy to be like, "Well, AI can help me do this thing, so I'm just gonna ignore, like, the traditional iron triangle mindset and be like, well, I'll just keep adding scope because AI lets me.'" And it does, but you're gonna add cost with that. So, I think keeping that definition really clean, and then making it such that you can grow from it, and then constantly, as you're developing in that, or adding to that workflow, checking in with your teams and your stakeholders. I like to take the practice of retros from Agile and just apply that to my AI implementation. So, like, this week, what worked well with our AI implementation for this problem, and what didn't? Like, where do we need to adopt or adapt our plan, or maybe evolve the way we are approaching this? So, yeah, yeah, that's kind of the way I think about it.